This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy BNB Tiger. First, you will need to set up your MetaMask wallet. Begin by installing the MetaMask extension for your browser or downloading the mobile application. Once installed, either create a brand new wallet or securely import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. Next, it's crucial to add the Binance Smart Chain network to MetaMask, as BNB Tiger operates on this chain. You'll need to input specific network details like the RPC URL and chain ID, which are readily available online. Now that your MetaMask is ready, the next step is to fund it with Binance Coin or BNB. You can purchase BNB from a major cryptocurrency exchange. It's important to ensure you are buying BNB that operates on the Binance Smart Chain, not the older Binance chain. Once acquired, carefully transfer your BNB from the exchange directly to your MetaMask wallet address. Always double-check the address before confirming the transaction to ensure your funds arrive safely. With BNB in your MetaMask, you're ready to swap for BNB Tiger. Open your browser and go to a decentralized exchange, such as PancakeSwap. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the exchange, granting it permission to interact. Next, you'll need the official contract address for BNB Tiger. Always verify this from a trusted source. Input this address into the swap interface. Finally, adjust your slippage tolerance, usually a small percentage, like 0.5 or 1%, to ensure your transaction goes through smoothly. After setting up the swap, carefully review all the transaction details presented on the decentralized exchange. Confirm that the amounts and tokens are correct. When prompted by MetaMask, approve the transaction to initiate the swap. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your new BNB Tiger tokens should appear in your MetaMask wallet. Remember, always keep your secret recovery phrase absolutely private and secure. Never share it with anyone to protect your valuable assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.